Rose fam, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. As you can see, Ty is swimming in that water. It looks so beautiful right about now, guys. It's like 100 degrees, but he's having a swim. We are catching up. This is my cousin. She came to visit us from New York. It's been so long since we've seen each other and gotten a chance to hang out. So we are doing this before we head back to my house and hang out and just have a fun day. I just want to thank you guys once again for clicking on today's video, and I hope you enjoy spending time with us.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement.
I was so nervous at first, guys, because it's been a long time as well since Ty has been in any water, and he just hopped right in, y'all. He kind of learned how to swim, not professionally, just being shown how, and he just, I guess, remembered it. And so, you know, the music's playing, so I don't want to get copywritten, but he's just showing me all his little swim moves and just enjoying himself. The shades that he has on are actually super cool because they turn from glasses to sunshades. So just enjoy watching Ty swim.
How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel it.
Tell me how you go underwater while you're cheating.
All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it.
Good job.
Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out.
So as we were about to leave, my cousin remembered that she had some reward points on her card, so we're just headed back to the gift shop so that Ty can get something with the rewards.
Honey, so we can go. $8? Look over there.
Whatever you want. If not, we'll put to it. Get what you want.
We got Skittles, the ones that you like here. The sour Skittles. This Sour Patch. I don't think he had that in forever.
You used to eat them. You don't like those anymore? So get them. I remember some things.
That's it.
What else you gonna get? That's it?
Oh, sorry.
Let me stand by this one right here.
That feel good? Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness. That feel good.
I tell you, one thing I don't like being is hot.
I know. Well, we sitting outside by the pool, you think? You want that? Okay, he got the two things. Get in line.
Hey Rose fam, welcome back to a new video or another vlog. It is Thursday, May 18th, I think. Yeah. Anyway, I am starting out in the bedroom. Y'all, every time I get on this camera, I feel like we're going to the store, but such is life. That's when I have the excitement, when I get out of the house. Anyway, we're going to go run by, I think, Target, Walmart, and I just have like a couple things to grab from Smith's because they're the only ones that have that cookie that I like, the pumpkin chocolate chip. That's the only thing in pumpkin that I like. I haven't really tried like a Starbucks drink, but I'm not a pumpkin person, so that's the only thing I like. I do at some point have to get my nails done because I broke the 2 index fingers. So I don't know. At some point, I'll get that done. I have a gray comforter that I have ordered that I really want to put on the bed. I'm loving my sage, but I really want to see how I feel about the gray one. So we may or may not do that. I keep going back and forth, so don't be surprised if you don't see it. So we are probably going to do a little bit of cleaning today too, because I do need to get some stuff cleaned up. I did move the vases that were here. I just put this back here for now. A lot more simple, a little bit more headroom, and I put the other vases on this side like that. So I do like them a lot. I still have the tag on that. Look at this. All this time. I still have the tag. And guess what? I guess it's going to stay on until I get home because I'm not about to take it off yet. So, anyway. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Alright, y'all. Anyway, I'm sorry. My phone keeps saying something about focus. But anyway, so that's what that looks like over there. So it'll be there for now. Alright, y'all. Let me get in the street so I can get back. Y'all. So I put my coffee grounds down, and I swear it made me feel like I was crazy because I look back in the sink and it's filled with, I'm like, what is that? I rinsed that out. At this point I did it twice, but now I'm thinking, I felt the first time that I didn't do it, I'm like, wow, I really just walked away like that. Yeah, I didn't put the garbage disposal on for it to suck down, so it comes right back up. That's crazy. I really just thought I was crazy just now. Hold on. Uh-oh. What's in there? Hold on, y'all. Let me see what's... I hear a little crackle dackle in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Okay, so let me dry my hands off, y'all. Hold on. Alright, so it's empty for now. If I come back and the coffee grounds are back in the sink, y'all, I'm finna sage. Okay, so we're gonna sage this house. So anyway, let's go, y'all. Alright, so I don't have a whole lot of time to spend because I need to get back and feed Colby. So I have probably about an hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours max if I feed him like a 15-20 minutes late. So that's not a big deal. But I want to run kind of in and out of here. There's a couple things that I want to check on though. These mats are super cute. These are really cute. I like this look a lot. Let me zoom back. There you go. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. This is really cute. Really cute. So I am at the point where I'm truly enjoying, you know, the choices that are in our home. So I don't really want to change much, except, you know, like the seasonal. So with that being said, I like the living room setup, but I might grab a couple of these placemats for the countertop. These are really cute, and it'll just add that little bit of color to the countertop. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'll show you the two options. So we have this one, or we have, let's see, Oh, I don't like that one. That one's too, yeah, I don't like that one. Hold on. So everything I have is pretty much circle. So I like that these are just a square placemat. I like that a lot. So I'm thinking, do I get, they are $5. Do I get 4 in case I want to put it on the table? You know, in case I don't want it on the countertop, I can put them on the table and do something like that, which is also an option. I like that. I like these a lot. These bring a lot of the natural elements that we have into play into the house. So I'll probably just, oh, this one is kind of messed up. Let's get rid of that. And let's see what this one looks like. Okay, these little things you can cut off. So, all right, let's go with that. They also have a really cute, like, table runner if you wanted that option. Let's go ahead and put these back. Let's not be a messy store goer, messy shopper. There we go. And look at these. These are on clearance. These are cute. If I were doing that mustard yellow look, those are on clearance for $2.50. So there's that. There's some really cute items. I like that. But these actually, if I decided to set the place setting on the table, that green that I have goes nicely with that. So anyway, it is time, y'all. It is time to redo. Ooh, so cute. It's time to redo the plates. They're only 50 cents, so it's time to throw the old ones out and get some new ones. So let's see. I do like this. I do like this minty green, but I could see it showing like a lot of stains. So probably, oh, these are cute. I think I have a couple of these actually. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. I am looking at these throws. I don't think I want anything this light. I kind of have this one in my basket. I need a throw really bad. I just do not like the one that's on my bed right now. So I was kind of looking for another one that would work with like everything, and I think this one would. This is Threshold brand, and this color is like an oatmeal beigey type of a situation. Okay, I do not want to get caught up. All these beautiful pillows, y'all. All these pillows. So I did end up, I think I want to get this to replace the gray one that's on that table with the snake plant in it. I think I want to replace it with this. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna grab these. Yeah. There's some stuff that I was going to get at Walmart, but there's 5% off here. Because of my card, I'll get it here. Let me see. I think it's antiperspirant. Yep, I think that's it. Oh, y'all, I am home. It is 100 and HE double hockey sticks, in case there's children watching. But y'all, these are all the groceries. I'm not going to do a grocery haul, but I'm too tired. These are all what we got, but I will show you what I got from Target. I think I kind of did. But just in case, I'll show you. But we're going to get this put away. And it's my Sister Queen City Chic Doc. Girl, you know I bought it again. This is probably like my 4th or 5th time buying these. So I hope you do try them. They are awesome. Like, so good. Anyway. Alright, y'all. I'm going to put this stuff away. Alright, fam. So I have put everything away. This is the boxes and everything I have to recycle. This is what I took out of the fridge, emptied out, and it needs to go in the, y'all don't mind my nail, in the dishwasher that I have to empty out because the cycle just finished. But anyway, I got these bamboo plates from Target. So these are the bowls and the plates. Love them. Such a pretty color. And they are bamboo. They were like $4, I think, for each. And so were the bowls. So I got those. And then I got this plant here to replace this gray one right here. So I've had this here for a while, so I wanted to give it a little break. So I thought this nice little neutral one right here would be really pretty. So we'll do that. And I bought the 50-cent plates. I bought, oh gosh, how many did I buy? 2, 4, 6 of those, and then 2. These are 50 cents, and then these are $2 each because they have the rim and they're a little bit bigger. So I bought them because I'm going to now throw out all of these. So they've had their time and day. So I'm going to get rid of all of those and put the new ones in. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Like 50 cents, so literally they can go. Oh, and I think I showed you guys the throat that somebody started chewing up. He already chewed and pulled a thread off of here. He never chews up stuff. That's what is quite surprising. But he might have seen these tassels and thought, because he never chews on things. And you guys saw these placemats that I bought. I'm going to probably try them on the table. And if I do, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Otherwise, could go on the top here on the island, which is really nice there to give it a little bit of color, or I can put them on the table over there. I'll see which one. But okay, guys, I am so tired. I still got all of that behind me to take down and recycle. I've got to empty out this dishwasher. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys.